Yes, so my people, this is not the TMC TV and radio where they give you a bonget gist for pidgin English. You know what they do? I'm here now purely pidgin. So everything when concern gist, everything when concern information, education, entertainment. Now they bring you for here for TMC TV and radio. Yes, and I remain your country brother, Omo Aluke Ajakaye. And yes, the matter when carry us come here today, and special matter na the Prince Builders and Estate Developers, your number one ogbonge shop plug for estate matter. They know say they get estate for Sapler, they get estate for Agbor, they get estate for Oba Genevosa community, they get estate everywhere for Lagos, for Abuja, for Ghana sef, estate dey Yakata for the Prince Builder. And this matter won't carry come now the groundbreaking of their estate for Aduan community along Benin Agbor bypass road. Right now, make we go show on the groundbreaking when shele for Benin Agbor road. This na TMC TV and radio. I remain your country brother, Omo Aluke Ajakaye.
Since I know the principle. Anything that has to do with land in Edo State. In fact, you just have to, give them the confidence. You are just go and sleep after buying the plot from them. Yeah, I bought from them at Obage, Tessie. Started, it has gotten to the roofing level. No community harassment, no nothing. It's been safe. Even the community have this security that protects your materials at your site, so you don't have any fear whatsoever in any plot you buy from the principal. What I go tell Edo State people to say, anything when concern the Prince Builder, when it concern land property, may they just 100% assurance to the Prince Builder say their land is safe at any time they come to meet or any time at all, whether 10 years or whatsoever, their land will be there for them. Nobody will temper that land.
My name is I'm brand ambassador to the Prince Builders. For the Prince Builders, everything they do now legit, no scams on for here. If you buy land from us, you're not going to pay community development, nothing. Once you just buy, you will build, you go. You get me? If you refer 10 people, we'll give you one free. If you refer 5 people, we'll give you half plots. You understand? So for all our estates, we get 20% discount. So any land where you buy for here, no community development, as you buy, you will build.
Oh man, that never everything I tell now. When I go buy land for the Prince Builders and brothers and sisters.
Yes, when I go buy land, hey, how much sef?
You prepare, you got money.
No, we shop inside.
we come to land matter. As far as somebody like Influence Akaba don't involve put as low as 950k, I promise you, you are going to get a land here. And if you bring 10 people come for us, you dey get 1 plot of land. If you buy 10 plot, you dey get 1 free. If you buy 5 plot, see, you dey get half plot, which is 50 by 100. You know what? 950,000. This one a dreamland. As you can see, now Honey Land Estate inside Aduan community. Waiting you, they wait for my fans. Where are you? Right there, all over the globe. Are you watching me? Genuity is our watchword. Make una come patronize Honey Land Real Estate. Where it be said the Prince Builders. Where I stand as ambassador, they bring up for una. God bless all of una. And as I talk, una know as they be about talk, but hey.
My people, we don't come again. We go for Honey Land Estate. For this estate, as also Honey, now you go to see. This estate with a boost of steady power supply infrastructure, good access road. As you can see, we already do the perimeter fencing already. We do everything to make sure say everybody go there in a peaceful and serene environment for this estate. Take advantage of all of this with the people that got people for you. For the first 50%, we will give this estate for 950,000 for 100 by 100. If you buy 10 plots, you get 1 plot of land free. And if you bring 10 plots, you get 1 plot of land free. And not forget, say you fee also buy 5 plots, get half a plot free. Take advantage of this. If you bring clients come for us, you also get your commission. As you see, for this estate, we go boost of infrastructure. We go also boost of children playground. We go also boost of long tennis court, shopping complex, and so many other amenities go there for this estate. You see some that they create the roads already. If you see the banners and everything, we make sure that everything there good and habitable for the people of Nigeria. Take advantage of all of it. If you need house for this estate, if you buy a house with an initial deposit of 10 million naira, you got the landlord. And if you be say you want buy today, say you want buy from the Prince Builder, first 50%, 950,000 for 100 by 100. No more community development fee, no more agency fee, no more is a chair or is a table, no more iron chair or rubber chair. All the check, Papa God don't make sure the place is okay for you. As you buy, come the build. Take advantage of all of this. If you also want to keep the property, if you keep am 100 years, the property pay for you. But we want maybe say all our place make it get developed. We still have every year. We got to make sure say we make and get condition. They put street light, electric pole for this estate. Thank you, my friend.
People, now welcome back. This is the TMC TV and radio. You don't hear the matter when the Prince Builder do for their Honey Land Estate for Aduan community for Benin Agbor Road. Here and from the MD, the Prince Builder, even their brand ambassador, Influence Akaba, Voltage of Hype, all of them, Kiriko and all of them not chook mouth for the matter. They say this estate, it get constant light, it get water, it get security, it will get playground for children. So everybody for this estate, all of them, now if you go there na suburb or you don't go to suburb, now enjoyment, now they dey yakata for the estate. So don't forget to get your land from this estate when the Honey Land Estate for Aduan community. Don't forget say this nasty TMC TV and radio, and we dey everywhere for social media. For Facebook, our address now TMC TV, Twitter, follow us at TMC TV, Instagram now still at TMC TV. Don't forget to carry waka enter YouTube, make with the summer youth ogbonge news as it dey hot, for YouTube now TMC TV. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, makara, make you dey receive the news sharply. I remain your country brother, Omo Aluke Ajakaye